Guys, if not fixed on time, you can destroy your engine. Stay with us and we'll explain why. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you having a BMW F10 F11. We're talking about 5 Series from year 2010 to year 2017 guys. Now if you want to know what are the symptoms of bad leaking valve cover gaskets, stay with us, we'll explain that on that BMW today. Even though we have the 2.0 and 20 engine, even if you have a different engine, the symptoms of bad valve cover gasket will be exactly the same. We'll cover step by step what to expect, how it can affect your car and how it can destroy your engine as well. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So you wonder guys, what are the symptoms of bad valve cover gasket? We're going to demonstrate here on that BMW. Let's explain what we have here specifically guys. If we come on this side, okay, this is a valve cover gasket. You see, this is the gasket itself, and that gasket consists of multiple components on most modern vehicles. This is the outer gasket for the valve cover. Those are inner gaskets for around, let's say, few injectors or ignition coils, and you may have individually 4 of them on 4-cylinder engine, 6 or 8 on 8-cylinder engine, and this is where guys the high pressure fuel pump is located, because most of the newer vehicles will use high pressure fuel pump, and you even have some O-rings as well. Now let me show you what we guys have here. This is the engine. We remove the upper engine cover so we can see everything, and some of the first things that you're going to start noticing is oil leaks guys, and oil leaks can come from multiple places. Now you can see what we have here. Check this thing out. All that is leaking valve cover gasket, okay, and all that is leaking oil guys. And the exhaust on that car is on this left side right here. So if you look guys, okay, that's the valve cover. You see where it's leaking, all that drips on the exhaust, so you're going to smell burning oil smell. So oil leaks, burning oil smell is number 2. Next, they can start leaking from multiple places. Okay, check this one towards the back. Okay, all that oil will get on your wires and connectors, and when that happens guys, for instance, this is for the variable timing, if those get wet and contaminated with oil in the camshaft position sensors, it can affect the engine, where you may get engine codes for sensors that are bad that are actually not bad. Another thing, that oil can eat your wires guys. Okay, it can make the coating on the wires soft and disintegrating. Next guys, okay, the next symptom that we see here, sometimes you can see right there, okay, check out all the oil going towards the spark plugs, right? Okay, when you have oil leak, it can cause guys where those holes fill up and you may start having misfires. Those misfires will be caused because you have oil in the spark plugs, and that misfire guys will cause, okay, all kind of troubles. When the engine misfires, it doesn't burn the fuel, it goes in the exhaust. When that fresh fuel goes in the exhaust not burnt, it will ignite in the catalytic converter because it's super hot. So it can cause damage to the oxygen sensors. You can burn oxygen sensors, which are very expensive, or destroy your catalytic converter in no time. And if you keep driving with a misfire, you can destroy your engine too. Now, if not fixed on time, okay, valve covers will start leaking substantially. And when that happens, guys, okay, what you need to do, you need to keep checking the oil quite often. If you forget, okay, to check it, you may run your engine out of oil and you can destroy your engine, guys, in a few minutes. Since it's out of oil, practically even seconds. So, some of the most common things that we see: burning oil smell, because oil will be dripping on the exhaust, visual oil leaks, misfires, okay, loss of oil. Those are some of the most common ones guys, and you may get other codes and problems as well, because connectors could be contaminated. We'll have videos on the channel how to replace valve cover gasket step by step. Check it out, okay, if you need help with anything like that guys, but those are some of the most common things we see here at the garage. So these are guys the symptoms of bad valve cover gasket on BMW F10 F11 5 Series right here. Please replace it on time. Now how long they last, it really depends. If you get original gaskets, what we usually do, we try to go with original BMW gaskets. They start leaking anywhere around 100 to 120, 30,000 miles. We know this when everything's done correctly. If you used aftermarket gaskets, we had some that didn't even fix the leak at all. It kept leaking, maybe a little bit less, but we still had an oil leak. So you have to be careful to get good quality gaskets, guys. Always use approved oil for your car as well, because if you don't use approved oil, that can cause damage to the gaskets as well. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. If you want to see anything else from us, let us know. We have probably more than 500 videos on BMW 5 Series F10 that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs on our YouTube channel. Check it out, guys. We're here to save you as much money as we can.